Okay, g'day, Rudy here, 31st of January. So welcome to the end of month wrap of the 2026 stock picking competition. So we'll go through the fund managers, their picks, the Livewire fund managers, then the Livewire subscriber picks, and then the Roosters subscriber picks. And some interesting observations. All right, so let's get to it. So the fund managers, so DXB. So we're looking at monthly candles. Okay, so this candle here for every chart will be the bar. So it's Wilson, Ozcan with Nick Scarley. Forager with PLT. Ellie Griffiths, nice one, boys. Cool. And SNL from Spheria. And I can tell you we've got some better punters than these guys. Okay, so the live wire picks. I think this is in order. These guys are just in order of the top ranked picks. So this CSL was the favourite. Not a bad bar. Wise Tech. He's a sell on the channel. He was a buy, but he's gone now. BHP. Solid bar. Woodside. I think that's a buy now, I think. So that's PME. Maybe. Dro. Anyway, no, these are the punters' picks. Telix, and we had Yucky had his pick, and the old CPA was the number 10 pick. All right, so now on to the Roosters punters. So I haven't ranked them all. Well, I have ranked them. Sorry. But basically, these no colours, they're in the race. But I've then got the blues, who are sort of like a bronze, and then we've got the silvers, and then we've got our golds down here. So it's pretty hard to do an actual percent, but we'll going by sort of candles. Anyway, let's get to it. There's some good ones in there. So we had 360, so Muhammad, 40x Jimmy, ASL, we had Blair. I've had dub. Anyway, if it wins, we'll work out who it was. AVH, Nate. AUC, Graham. Aya with Daniel. BC8, Hills. B4P from Sambo. BGD from Pecha. Have I said that right, mate? BHM, Metal Bull. BKB from Adzi. Bowl from Jonathan. Beach. Oh, it's another double up. We've got Blair and Anthony. I think Anthony gets the pick. If it gets down to it, we'll. CHN, I haven't got a name, so if you picked it, let us know. C6, Guello. C79, Anthony. EHL, Stephen. EZZ from Chandra, who actually is a chef. FFM from Jono. GMD from Davey. Horizon from Sensei. Mark Eluka. Sorry, Mark, I've got a sell on him. KCC, Mr. Ford. And we've got LRV from Riley. Liontown, Charles. Linus, Paul. Bob with Min. MTM, Lockster. NEU with 911. So these aren't ranked worse. They're just not as good as the others. So NSD with NHC. Carbor with NXT. Coach Scott's ABM. PNR, Mr. CJB. Pole with Late Again. Parenti, Woodywood. RSG is Droney. Rio with John. Snaz, the old bear on the text sector, Brian. So that was a good. If that was December, so if that was your candle, mate, you would have got there. It's a big. You're a big ass, mate. Anyway. SS1. I think Anthony's. We've got Anthony and Gordon there. We'll have to go back to the judges if it gets close. SX2 from Peter. Tok from Duck. Still a good candle. TWE from David Cronk. I think we know where that would be if we were ranking it. Lawn to Food. VAU. Simcha with VTM. XRF. Tony John. And Zip Link. Alright, so now we get into the ones, and again, it's not this guy's better than this guy, it's just they're all good because there's a lot to do there. The Rooster doesn't pay me enough to do that. Okay, so BGL, Lazy Bug. Well, he's lucky that probably anyway. King Gazma, DVP, Billy, Emerald, Sam, AG. So remember, we're just looking at these candles. It's Carnivorous, KCN with LJ, QRE with Mick, SRL with LZ, WAF with David, Westgold with Kimdale, Rooster with XMAT, have to put that in there. Okay, so now we get to the silver group. So we've got BNZ with Ryan, GGP with Gordon, Hot Chili with Cameron. You can see the candles will start getting. This was an interesting one. The old Korea, Ocean Grove. Well done, mate. Very, very good. NXG, Dylan. Paladin, Peter. You just look at the Rooster was buying these down here. South 32, G Patel. Nice candle. URM, Davina. Okay, and now we've got our, I think of the, so DYL, Breakout Charter. And BCN from Droney. So they're all pretty good, but as we get closer, we'll have to do actual, like 3 to there is 75, but you get the gist. Okay, so they were the over $1. Now the under $1, and you'll see, because none of those charts were really bad. Okay, so under $1. So these are the non-medalists, but not in any order. So 29M from ASD, AAR, Davey, ABX, Mark, ACW, Kelly, ADN 911, AW1, B minor, AIS, Pavasi, ATC, Steve White, AL3 from ADSI, ALR from what? No, that's sorry, mate. ARU from Aurelius, ATV Jeffrey, AUE Mick, AV1 Chandra, AWJ Coach, BCI with Darren, BMG Peter, BML Metal Bull, Bot from Anthony, CRN Cal, CTM from Lawn Food Fest, CXO late again Gerald, CIX Daniel, CAY Lachlan, Cell Deck, Cod, and he does look ready to go, Mr. Cod. David, oh, that's another. CVB, Sensei, EXR, the Vic, Finn, BMC, FME, Lasybug, GLN, Dylan, GRL, Brian, Ha, ASX Punter, HGO, Brett. I think that one's actually with the, if that comes back here, it's probably goodbye. IBX, Lee Talon, I88 Stephen, INR, LZ. There's again if this month's candle, Jordan, IXR with CJB, Jav, JLL, Ben, KTA, LJ, KZR with breakout charter, nice consolidation, LDX, Astra Barber, LKE, Mohammed, LMS, Shaggy. I don't know what's going on with the chart with Lot, but we'll see what happens there. Lion, Ryan, Ma, Woody, Mech, Yucky, MEI, John, Nick, Kabul, NMT, Anthony, NMR, Link, NTU, Charles Walker, ODY, Sambo, nice sort of OR3, Matt, Par with Hills, PGD, Keynes, so he's look at that, ready, set, go, PTX, Stinger, PLY, X-Cray, Pod, Mark, RDN, Simcha, RCM, Alan, that's the silver one, he's down, Peter, RMX, again another one of those nice candles there, but Mark, SHC, John, SKK, Peja, SM1 Elita. You can see there's a few more dogs in here than the over $1. SVG, Sam, STX, Nate, TTM, Davina, USL, Anthony, WC8, Guello, WCE, Gordon, AIG with Weir, Tony John with Win. Haven't heard from you, mate, lately. WWI, Deck, RKT, King, Yug, Night Host, AVM. Actually, that's the Roosters one. RXL, Paul, Pen, NSD, EQU, Lockstow. Okay, so now we start getting into some. Okay, so I've just got gold and silver here. Okay, so AEE, so Blair, Bright Star, Kimdale. Although I think they've just done a capital raising, so he'll probably end up down here. CXU with Anthony, Gel, Carlos, NMG, Bob, SBM, David, SNM, Tinker Table, SRZ, Cannon, TVN, Greg. Geez, that would have been a nice Ben Dwyer, LNQ. They're obviously elephant country, my notes say. Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah. MMA, Graham. Okay. So now, and again, these aren't like. So AGE, Shijinian, LML with Damien, ORN with Rob, lovely green break of resistance there, nice one. EL8, Carnivorous, EQR, One Breath, it's a big candle, that would, and the old My Kitchen Rules with El Gordo. So some pretty good looking charts in there. So hope you, if you weren't a punter, you picked, there's still some good ones in there that are worth having a look at. And congratulations to those with good looking charts. It's still got 11 months to go. All right, and if you're new to the channel, I've got a you can join me for $10 a month. Do daily videos talking about shares and ETFs you can buy in ASX and US. Other than that, have a good one. See ya.